Intellectual property encompasses a number of different things. There's a common misconception that you have to have a science or engineering degree to practice in the field, and that is most certainly not the case. Copyrights, trademarks, patents, trade secret, and rights of publicity, rights of privacy are all fields in which you can practice even if you don't have a science or engineering background.
I'm a perfect example of somebody who doesn't have a technical background. My practice, I guess, is intellectual property based, but it's generally centered around the music industry. So I represent bands, songwriters, publishing companies, record labels.
There's also a common misconception that lawyers only go to court, and that isn't necessarily the case, particularly in the intellectual property field. Oftentimes your clients are businesses or artists or musicians or entrepreneurs or nonprofit organizations who literally just need advice related to protecting their brand and identity.
The majority of the work is contract law based and enforcing copyright. So whether that's signing, selling copyrights, whether that's a license for a film or TV use, whether it's mechanical royalties. I do a lot of negotiations for bands with their labels or royalty collecting. I spend quite a bit of time on the phone trying to get bands paid.
Drake Law School has a number of alumni working all around the country in various fields related to intellectual property. We've got entertainment lawyers, we've got members who are in-house counsel for major corporations, we've got attorneys practicing in major law firms all around the country.
There are a lot of great opportunities at Drake. It's a small school, so you get a lot of one-on-one contact with your professors. The Intellectual Property Committee sent me to the ABA IP conference in Washington, D.C. That was a great opportunity, and got to meet a lot of people and got to learn a lot of new things.
Another unique thing about Drake University's Intellectual Property Law Center is the IP Moot Court team, so students who are interested particularly in IP can still have the same experiences of every other student, but with that area of focus related to intellectual property.